This is Roar to Success, episode number 10. For number 1, it says Mr. Liu has a note card that measures 8/100th feet by 12/100th feet. The whole note card is covered with square stickers. The size of each sticker measures 1/100th feet. None of the stickers overlap. How many stickers will be needed to cover the whole entire note card? So when you're trying to cover a note card, you're trying to cover up the area, the inside space. So we got to figure out how much area this note card is. So to find area, we need to multiply the length times the width. In this case, it is 8/100ths times 12/100ths. So let's go and do the math down here. So it'll be 8/100ths times 12/100ths. And we know that's going to give us 8 times 12 is going to be 96 over, and of course you have 10,000 because 100 times 100 is 10,000. Now, every tiny sticker is 1/100th by 1/100th. So pretty much every sticker, the area of each sticker is really 1 over 10,000. Because you're doing length times width, so it's 1 times 1, which is 1, and then 100 times 100 is 10,000. So how many stickers can you, or do you need to cover up the whole entire thing? Well, you need 96 of them. That's the answer. Why? Because each sticker takes up 1 space, and there's 96 spaces, and it's out of 10,000, and it's out of 10,000. So all you really need is 96 stickers. Not 96 over 10,000, but just 96 as a whole number. For number 2, it says 3 students are doing 1/3 plus 2/6. Select all the students that has written the expression that's equal to 1/3 plus 2/6. So let's see. Student A did it correctly because that's 1/3, and then 2/6 is really 1/6 and 1/6. So student A is good to go. Student B did 2/6 and 2/6. Let's see. 1/3 is really times 2 times 2. So that is 2/6. Student B is good to go as well because it is 2/6 plus 2/6. Now student C did it wrong because it's 3/3. That's really 1 whole, and there's no way it's 1 whole. So it's only A and B who did it correctly. For number 3, it says enter a positive value for Q that makes the statement true. 9 times a number is more than 9 but less than 18. So if you do 1, that'll be wrong because I'll give you exactly 9. And it has to be more than 9. And if you do 2, that would be wrong because that will give you 18, but it's supposed to be less than 18. So if you can't do 1 and you can't do 2, so all you need to do is choose anything in between 1 and 2. So the easiest one is, of course, 1 whole, which is 9, and then 1/2. And that will give you in between 9 and 18. So once again, you just choose a number that's in between 1 and 2, because 1 is exactly 9, and then 2 would be exactly 18. So anything that's in between 1 and 2 will give you between 9 and 18. And that's the end of episode number 10.